Tonight, a local organization says they are concerned about potential public transportation cuts in Washington. Raymond Owens is live in downtown Charleston with more on that story. Raymond, what did you find out?
Well, Carolyn, I'm here at CARTA bus stop 211 right next to the Fleet Landing at the corner of Concord and North Market Street. And one of the community organizers I spoke with earlier today said he's concerned that CARTA bus funding could be cut in Washington, D.C.
Our outreach crew today will be working to reach people in Charleston's hospitality, food and beverage industries about the absolute importance of protecting public transit and affordable housing in the city.
Hamilton and his organization, Best Friends of Low Country Transit, walked around today talking to businesses about their concerns that federal funds could be cut, possibly even as soon as today.
In Washington today, they're going to attempt to pass a continuing resolution which will effectively be the federal budget for the next several months. We have not been able to determine exactly what is in it. We suspect that there are cuts. We do not know the depth of them, and we haven't been able to get that much information. Nancy Mace did respond to us, but we don't know what the numbers mean because we don't have context for them.
So I talked with Mike Seekings, the chairman of CARTA.
Right now, in a time where there are some changes happening at levels above us, we keep a very close eye on it. But for now and today and in the near future, we feel very confident that CARTA will be funded.
He said after I brought these concerns to him this morning, he talked to his staff.
In advance of talking to you today, I checked in with our team about noon. As of noon today, we know of nothing coming down the pike up in Washington, D.C. that will affect us negatively. There is, by the way, a lot going on up there that will affect us positively, so we keep an eye on that too, with Low Country Rapid Transit on the horizon.
Hamilton says he's concerned that if there is a cut to CARTA, that cut impacts people who can least afford it.
Charleston has struggled with an economy that does not work for its working people for its entire history. Now we have people that cannot pay their rent because we don't pay them enough to live here anymore. They don't make enough to keep a car and park a car downtown. They don't make enough to have an apartment, much less buy a house.
And now Chairman Seekings did tell me that with Low Country Rapid Transit money, that's about 50% local and 50% in federal grants. He said the local money is now there, and they do believe the 50% federal grant money will be available in the near future. He's talking about that grant money could be available as soon as months from now. So he said there could be additional funding for CARTA-related activities in the Low Country in the near future. Live in downtown Charleston, I'm Raymond Owens. Count on 2.